Hello bachon, let's see the question here. Moving from right to left in a periodic table, the atomic size is increased, decreased, remains constant, none of these. Here we will start our solution. और सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे इस case में with key concept in this case. Key concept for this case will be, we know that radius, this is inversely proportional to effective nuclear charge, that is Z effective. Effective nuclear charge, as it increases, radius will decrease. So we know when we move left to right in a period, in that case, here number of shells that remains same and number of electrons increases. That is Z effective. In this case, this will increase, and due to that, radius, or we can say atomic size of elements will decrease here. Whereas if we move down a group, in that case what will happen? Number of shells will increase. That means here effective nuclear charge, it will decrease, and that will result in increase in radius, or we can say atomic size will increase here. But question में हमसे बोला क्या गया है that if we move from right to left, that means right to left in a period, what will happen? यहाँ पे हमने बात की थी left to right. So for right to left, this will be inverse. That means in this case, Z effective will decrease and radius will increase. That means here atomic size increases if we move right to left in a periodic table. That is, the atomic size is increased. Option A is correct here. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.